Okay, this is Jade. And what Jade's going to do is he's going to go find these little monkeys that I put on his play stand all over the place. I have one hanging right there. I'm going to hang one right here. And put one here. And I'm going to hide one way down back here. And there's one there. And what he's going to do, that he loves to do, is he's going to go find the monkeys. Okay, Jade, are you ready? Okay, step up. Now go find the monkeys. Get the monkeys. There he goes. Good boy. It fell and hung. There you go. Find some more. There's another one. Oh, you found a red one. And what he's going to do is he'll just play with that for a little bit and then he'll drop it. Right, Jade? You're going to drop him? You want to give it to me? Can I have the monkey? Can I have it? Okay, thank you. Go find another monkey. There you go. There's another monkey. All right. Oh, they're gone. Okay, find some more. Where's the monkeys? Wow. You gonna get that monkey? Good boy. Oh, it's another one. Good boy. You got it. What a good boy. I think that's all of them. You got them all, Jade. Good job. Say thank you.